this is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Today I'm at Church's Chicken. Church's Chicken. Gobble, gobble, gobble. That's right, everyone. I'm at Church's Chicken. They have their new smokehouse chicken. It's like a half chicken comes with a biscuit. It's like $4. Check this out. Classic. So Church's Chicken. There's not one to be found anywhere near me, and I was driving to get my wax. Church's Chicken. So we're gonna give this a shot. I haven't had Church's Chicken in a while. Let me drink some of it. Wow. They're still getting over that cold. Man, I hate having colds. Don't you? We really do. Anyways, I got a little something in my throat. So they have the new smokehouse chicken, and it comes with a honey biscuit. Looks like a piece of coal. Anyways. Chinese spare ribs. We don't want sticky fingers. Hope you guys are doing great. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at this. Let me get a close up.
Oh, look at these. Look at that.
Look at that. They look good. I love Chinese spare. I love normal spare ribs. I love Chinese spare ribs too. Look at that.